Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to find the resistance across RAB. Okay, so resistance across RAB. You can see here actually current will come to node A and current flows in 2 ohm as well as 1 ohm. I can say these two are connected in series connection. Okay, now across this is A, this is node B, this is node C. So here you are going to have already a 1.5 ohm resistor, and here you are going to have a 4 ohm resistor, and already here we are having a 5 ohm resistor. So these two are connected in series between the nodes A and C. So you are going to get one more parallel branch across A and C with a value of 5 ohm. So when you carefully observe, the current comes to this node and current is going to divide, and these two are again connected in parallel. Okay, so therefore across A, B and C, so whenever these two are connected in parallel, you are going to get a single resistor. So 5 into 5 divided by 5 plus 5. So this is equal to a 2.5 ohm resistor. So this is nothing but 1.5 ohm resistor, and this is nothing but a 4 ohm resistor connected between the nodes A and connected between the nodes B. So whenever you see this problem, again the current comes to node A, it flows into this resistor, and the current flows in this resistor. I can say these two are connected in series connection. Why? Because there is no division of current. I can say these two are connected in series connection. Therefore, we are going to get a resistance between A and B. Okay, so here we are going to have A. So this is one branch, and here we are having another resistor across B, and these two are connected between the nodes A as well as B, and we are going to get one resistor. This is nothing but 2.5 plus 1.5, which is nothing but 4 ohm. Already here also we have an 4 ohm. Again, if you carefully observe, the current comes to a node and it is going to divide. Then these two are again connected in parallel. So whenever these two resistors are connected in parallel, so 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4, where this is equal to 2 ohm. So the resistance between the terminals A and B is equal to 2 ohm. So hope you're able to understand the problem. So I will revise the problem for your more clarity. These two are connected in series, therefore I got an 5 ohm. Again, this 5 ohm and this 5 ohm are connected in parallel. I have got 2.5. So this 2.5 and this 1.5 are connected in series. So whenever these two are connected in series, I have got one more resistor, which is nothing but 4 ohm, 4 ohm. Again, these two are connected in parallel. Therefore, this is nothing but you are going to get 2 ohm. If you feel the way of solving is good, please like the video. Please share with your friends. And if you are watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name KV Tulasi Ram. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video or the next.